What's up guys, it's Misha with Winnie Designs. Today I'm going to show you really quickly on how to make this large format tile niche happen with miter cuts. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about it. I'm going to make a better video later on about this. Also, I'm not going to show all the miters because I will link a video right bang here. That's with the miters. That's how you make the miters. I'm just going to basically show my dimensions, how I figured it out, and then what it kind of looks like when it's in. So let's go for it. Before we do, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm gonna teach you guys how to build a bathroom from start to finish. Demo to flush, demo to wipe, whatever it is. Like, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, that notification bell, and let's get to it. All right, so here's our niche. We have our route line running right through the center of it, but the sill is not going to have a grout line because I want to have a nice clean sill all the way across and then at the top as well. This is, I don't know if you guys are here from Instagram or TikTok, this is when I had to lower my niche about 1.5 inches to make sure that this grout line coming from here is continuous and then just turns in, so there's no notches or anything. And that's why I needed to make sure that I have at least 1/2 inch right here, because my tile is 3/8 and I need at least a 3/8 for my mortar. The back of this is already sloped. So what we're gonna do next, I have that piece. Let me show you what that piece looks like when it's in there. It freaking looks sharp. So we have it here. And again, I'm just dry fitting all this stuff at the moment. Look at that. So it's gonna look just like that. But while that is just sitting there, let's see. Here's basically the dimensions that I need for, I'm gonna cut my piece of tile right here, bang, 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 bang. I'm gonna leave both of them there. And then I have these dimensions here. So I'm stepping away 5/8 just to give myself a little bit more room here. So I wrote it down over here. I'm 15 5/8 up from this grout line to this line. And then on this side, 15 5/8 as well to this line. And then also I marked this, and that's again 5/8 in, just to allow for that miter to happen. And then I made that measurement as well, 14 3/8, 14 3/8, 42 7/8. So now I'm going to cut these two pieces out, look at those dimensions, and then measure off the wall and make those marks. And then this way I have nice, clean, continuous line, and then go ahead, cut it out, make my miters, and I'll show you what that looks like just in right 1 second. All right, so those two pieces are already set in, and this is what I was talking about. So now I got my two pieces in there, they're perfectly on both sides, and then I have those measurements, then that I can cut out my niche, or draw out my niche. So now I just have to go take it to the saw, cut that out, and then miter these pieces on the sides here. And that's pretty much it to it, and then we're gonna do the back. So I'll show you how to do all of that. Let's finish this up today. I think we can finish up the wall today, this whole thing, bang. All right, so we got this cut out. All of these have miters. So now, if you remember, this piece went all the way to the back here. So I have to cut out these little guys, bang, bang. So then my side pieces sit on the side like this, and then the water does the whole water shedding thing. So I measure from here to here, that's 28 plus. Basically, that's what I have from there to there, 28 plus. So I'm gonna do this one, then that one, and then my sides. Let's do it. All right, so we got this bottom piece in here with a little gap that we can clean out tomorrow. And then over here, see, I did the same thing where I gave it these little edges, bang, bang on the sides. So now my side pieces will hold that up nicely in there. And then again, I'm going to give it a little gap here, so then I'll clean that out tomorrow. But see, I found the piece that kind of matched this line, so that I could, kind of make it look like it belongs part of it. But all right, now we just got side pieces, and then we're done with this. All right, so we got our niche all set up. I'm about to duct tape the whole thing just to keep the grout lines nice and tight. So kind of like this. This will get grouted out really nicely. Leave a little gap there all the way through. These little ruby shims help so much with all this stuff. Just a little, and then I'm gonna put some duct tape there. But yeah, look at this. So we have our veins continue all the way through. It just looks so freaking pretty. Now I just gotta finish up this, and then tomorrow I'll show you guys how to do this guy. All right, so if this was helpful, I'm going to do a full tutorial on how to frame out and do everything else with the niche later on. But at the moment, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm gonna post so many more tutorials on how to renovate bathrooms and how to tile. So let's go.